Hi, this is a quick video to show you how to schedule an assignment for the future. So if you go into the team where you want to post the assignments, if I go into Year 2 and then click on Assignments at the top, and you can schedule an existing assignment or you can do it when you're creating your new assignment. So when you click for new assignment, you have to fill in all this information beforehand. So you need to give the assignment a title. So it's helpful to just put the name of the subject and the date. You can type some instructions for the children, add resources. So if there's a PowerPoint or a PDF to read, or if there's a Word document that can be edited by the children, you add it here. And then when you scroll down, if you go to the box where it says date due, if you click here, now if you click edit, and this pop-up comes up. So you have an option to schedule the assignment for the future. So I might be making my assignment now, but I want to post it for tomorrow morning. So I can just click on the calendar and decide when I want to post it. So I'm going to click it for Tuesday, tomorrow morning, and you can select the time. So I want it to be up for 8:30. Then you can choose a due date. So you might think, yeah, they can finish it. I want it due by the end of Tuesday, or I might want to give them till the end of the week so they've got a chance to get online and complete the work. And you have an option as well to put a close date. And then once you've chosen your dates and times, you click done. You do have an option here as well. If you're making an assignment and you want it to go to another class, you can pick a different team to send the assignment to. And also you can specify which students, if you want it to go to all students or maybe just groups of students if it's differentiated work. And then once you've completed all this information, this schedule box will highlight, and then you can click that and then it will schedule to be posted in the future.